says.
Here it comes.
I didn't think there was that much water in it to begin with, so it's it's a chambered system and it wasn't even full yet. He made it go on. Well, it's your water and it's on your driveway. Nobody could say a damn thing. That's why we do them like this. It's getting where we can't take them to the street nowhere. Not here in Michigan. All the places I work, they won't let us take them to the street no more. Man, that thing was only half full too. That was a lot of water. You know, I'm not belittling it. I mean, it's running like a river.
Good.
Beautiful. So that it was about half full. I mean, the yard has been filling that up. We actually discharged it earlier just to try to dry the yard out. But we discharged it differently because we didn't have our discharge line up on the fence and in place. Nice. So this is only going to go on when it's above freezing. When we get snow, this is not going to go. Because people always ask about ice. I'm like, hey, when it rains, that thing's going to be running. It's that simple. Here in the north, when it's ice, well, it's snow, and that thing's not going to be running. If we have a thaw and it goes on, the temperatures are too warm to ice up the surface. So there you have it. That's what we're doing. That's what we've been doing. Everywhere we work, can't take them to the curb no more. It's all kinds of crazy rules. And it seems like everybody's got that one neighbor who's just a jerk. So here you go. No one can say nothing about it. And your yard stays dry. And you don't have to deal with a pump, because that's a nightmare in itself, having to drag a pump out and manually pump the water out every time it rains. All right, guys, till the next video.